bird on a tree.
Good morning! So, today is Sunday na tayo. So, today is November 8 na ba ngayon? Hindi ko na alam kung anong date na ngayon, guys. Busy. So, tignan natin ang date. So, 8. Yun. 8 na tayo. So, finally, natapos na yung US election. And, yeah. I'm making coffee for my husband. Parang sira itong ano namin, coffee maker. Masyadong ano. Ayaw, konti oh. Konti lang siya. So, mag-ano kayo, pupunta tayo rin sa trabaho ni Mr. Magpumow ng grass. Yung mga tree, oh. Nag-change na sila ng dahon. So, you can see there. Ayun, oh. Red na doon. Yan. This is a beautiful season fall. Mga dahon.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Hi guys! So now it's fall! Yung mga dahon, oh, ang gaganda. So, nag-picture ako. Kasi baka next week, wala na yung mga dahon. Alam niyo na. So, ang gaganda ng mga dahon. Hee! Ang lamig! Ang lamig-lamig! Ang lamig-lamig! So, ito yung mga dahon, no. Ayun, mas maganda doon. So, yan. Ha? Where? I know. Okay, I go there. Look. Tignan yung dahon, no? Ang cute. Ang ganda. Pretty. So, that's the tree. The fall tree. Yep. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Nag-picture na lang ako, guys. Because... Alam nyo na.
What?
No, I said I took a picture only. Not a vlog. Look. It's cold. Woo! It's cold. Very cold. Yep. So I just... And then take a picture for the fall 2020. No face mask. Okay lang, guys. So it's pretty. Ganda ng mga tree. Iba-iba ng kulay. So we're looking naman for somewhere to eat. Oh, that's the tree. The fall tree. Yep. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Nag-picture na lang ako, guys. Because... Alam nyo na.
What?
No, I said I took a picture only. Not a vlog. Look. It's cold. Woo! It's cold. Very cold. Yep. So I just... And then take a picture for the fall 2020. No face mask. Okay lang, guys. So it's pretty. Ganda ng mga tree. Iba-iba ng kulay. So we're looking naman for somewhere to eat. Vlog! Look at the hair! Look at the hair! Ala, buhok ko. Yun na, guys. Ang aming buhok niya, oh. Patay, patay, patay. Ano na kanyang hair? Look at your hair is everywhere. Oh my God, guys. Look, ayan na ang balahibo ni Sick. Yeah, oh my God, Sick. Oh my God. Patay tayo dyan. Oh my God, ayan na. Nagalagasan na naman. Kasi magagano siya mag-change na kanyang winter coat. Winter ka pa. Oh my God. Corgi na lang talaga bibiling ko sa sunod. Corgi na lang. Ay, ikaw. Ito naman singitera. Oh, singitera. Ay na, kung mga aso ko talagang pasaway. Oh. Yun na yung buhok niya. Oh. Hindi alagasan na. Kailangan na natin sukulayin. Look, oh. Oh my God. It's time na. Winter na kasi. Tama yun. Oh my God. Good morning, guys. So, this is me, Chrisibel. So, I have my green tea and lemon. Chuk. And honey. Yep. To start my day. Yes. Yeah. Yummy. So this is my green tea with honey and lemon. Yummy. And now it's fall. The leaves is everywhere. Look. Good. Almost gone. All the leaves now. It's here. Yes. That's the fall season. You wanna see my husband tomato now? I'll show you guys. Ta-da-da. Welcome to my husband greenhouse. So in this carrot, it's not grow, it's dead. Maybe because hindi na siya season today, so that's why it's like that. And there's some here. This looks bad, so the tomato is starting to die now because, you know, it's not his season, so we're planting for like late. But there's some tomato here, small, but supposed to be it's big like this. But because we are planting this late, so it will not grow. That's supposed to be. But it's okay. So nakikita niyo yung tomato niya. Ayan. Ito isa malaki-laki. O yung aking cactus. Baby, si cactus. This is my cactus now. It's big. So maybe I'm gonna put you somewhere. Because you are looks bad. Look at this, my cactus. Ito na yung mga cactus ko, guys. Ang aking cactus na nakasama ko for like 3 years now. Oh, this one is heavy. I'm gonna move this later kasi may hawak akong camera. So, hindi naman tayo si Spider-Man. Dalawa lang yung kamay natin, guys. Okay? So, ito na yung tomato, oh. Malaki na. Yung iba, malaki. Ito, ang dami, oh. Pero, hindi na siya ganun ka, ano, yung in-expect namin na alam mo na. Pero marami naman siya bunga, oh. Look. So, okay na. It's better than nothing, diba? So, pasalamat na lang tayo na meron tayo na ma-harvest. O, ito. Ito isa na ano na siya. Natumba. We always thankful, you know, kung ano meron tayo. Salamat tayo sa Diyos na yun. He give us tomato instead of, you know, complaining. We always be thankful for what we had. Kasi yung ibang tao dito, diba? Wala nga, diba? Kumbaga, we always thankful. And don't look others kung ano meron sila kasi masama yan, di ba? So, look at this tomato. So, I'm so great. I'm so blessed. We're so blessed. Medyo kahit na late yung aming tomato, meron pa rin tayong tomato kahit konti, di ba? Salamat tayo sa Diyos kasi meron pa rin tayong mapipitas kahit papaano. Instead of complaining, you know, you always think positive. You always, you know, no more room for negative. Diba? You always positive in all in your life. Kasi kung isipin mo lahat ng mga negative na bagay, wala rin mayayari sa buhay mo, diba? Ikaw rin naman din ang masasakta, madidepress, diba? Like this. You always stay focused in the, you know, on the positive. Like, kahit hindi man kami na-late man, at least may nakatanim kami, di ba? Meron kami nakita tomato. We're happy for that. Magtatanim lang kami sa sunod o gagahan na lang namin, okay? So, we always be positive in our life. So, focus tayo doon. Huwag tayo mag-focus sa mga negative na bagay, okay? Enjoying our life. Kasi yung life natin, guys, is temporary lang. Parang ito, dadaan lang. It's like we grow. We grow. Tapos nito, we die. Ganun lang ang buhay natin, guys. Hindi tayo dito, we're not live here for 1,000 years sa universe na to, okay? Kumbaga, huwag tayo masyadong magtatanim ng mga sama ng loob. Huwag tayo magtatanim ng mga galit kasi once you die like this, dadalhin mo yan sa sarili mong hukay, ikaw din kawawa, di ba? You always live life with full of happiness and joy. Enjoy mo yung buhay mo while you are here. Kasi hindi mo alam, one day, di ba, natapos yung buhay mo na punong-puno ka ng galit, kasi yun ang mga kasama mo sa ano mo, pati sa libingan. So, don't let, you know, that happen in our life. So, always happy. Yun. Kung matapos man yung buhay natin ngayon kagaya nito, they're always happy kasi, di ba, nakapag-produce sila ng, tomato. So, ganun lang ang buhay din natin, guys. We always enjoying what we have right now. Kasi tomorrow is not a promise, okay? So, kagaya ito, namatay na, hindi siya bunga. But we always, you know, enjoying our life. Napaka ano lang ang buhay natin, guys. Sobrang iksi lang. Tapos, hindi mo pa enjoyin, di ba? Don't be feel sad, depressed, or whatever. Kasi, everything is, you can see, all is this is temporary. Walang forever dito sa universe na to, okay? So, let it go all the pain or hurt kung ano may nararamdaman nyo ngayon, okay? Just my simple advice. Right, baby? So, I'm gonna start my review and I'll talk to you later, guys.